Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify automate DocuSign status updates into Slack. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To verify and automate DocuSign status updates into Slack, start by logging into your DocuSign account. Navigate to the admin section in the DocuSign dashboard. Look for the Connect feature under the Integrations menu. Click on Add Configuration to set up a new connection for Slack. In the configuration settings, choose the type of webhook you would like to create. Input your Slack webhook URL in the designated field. Make sure to select the relevant DocuSign events you want to receive updates for. Save your configuration settings and activate the webhook. Next, log into your Slack workspace. Navigate to the channel where you want to receive DocuSign updates. Test your configuration by sending a sample document through DocuSign. Check the designated Slack channel to ensure the status update appears. If the status update is received, your integration is working correctly. You can further customize notifications by modifying the webhook settings in DocuSign. Monitor the logs for any issues or errors in the integration process. Ensure you have the necessary permissions in both DocuSign and Slack. Review your setup periodically for any required updates or changes. This setup will keep your team informed about DocuSign status updates in real time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.